Welcome back to the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. My name is Olivia, and I am grateful to have you here for Day 5. Today, we focus on the foundation of all meditation, the breath. Let's begin. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your back straight but relaxed, your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. As you settle in, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Breathing is something we do naturally, but conscious breathing can bring us into deep presence. It helps to calm the nervous system, center the mind, and create space for clarity. Let's introduce a guided breath pattern. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale through the nose for 6 seconds. Let's repeat this rhythm a few more times together. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Feel how each breath brings a sense of expansion and release. With every inhale, your belly expands slightly. With every exhale, it softens, releasing any tension. Allow your breath to guide you into stillness. No rush, no force, just gentle, steady breathing. Your breath is always with you, a constant anchor in the present moment. Now, let's slow the breath even further. Inhale deeply through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. And exhale through the nose for 8 seconds. As you lengthen your exhale, notice how your body relaxes even more. A longer exhale activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of you that helps rest and restore. Allow yourself to fully settle into this moment. Now, take one more deep breath in through the nose. Hold. And exhale fully. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Invite movement back into your body. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, and see you tomorrow for day 6.